Hi, welcome all. Today we are going to look how to work with Azure board using Agile and Scrum process. Let's get started. When we are working on delivery plan, so this will actually help to identify the dependency on the team, and based on that it provides a highly interactive calendar to view of multiple teams backlog. So when we are working with delivery plan, we need to navigate to boards, and then we need to click on delivery plan. Okay, so we'll also see in the next slide. So we need to add a plan by choosing uh, this bar of new plan, and we can fill the required details. We have to give the name of delivery plan, the project, and project name, and for the team, and then backlog. We can also add multiple teams. We can add a criteria, and we can click on create button. Then our delivery plan will get created. So snapshot is there in the next slide. We will look, and we will also look how to add marker. So if you don't see in your Azure board that delivery plan option is not there, you can go to you can in your right hand side, you can see browse marketplace. You can select marketplace, you can install delivery plan, click on new delivery plan, and then we can fill the required fields, the name of the delivery plan, the description, the project name, team name, backlog. We can add a team, we can add a criteria, and then we can click on create button. So once we are done, we will create a delivery plan. We can go to setting, which is the fourth step. You can see, and you can click on marker. You can add a marker, you can change the color, and when you go to your delivery, and when you look on to your sprint, you can see that you have the marker where you can put a flag for particular quarter, or which sprint you want to view as a public or as a private. So the step 1, browse marketplace. Step 2, you're installing delivery plan. And then step 3, you need to create a new delivery plan, and step 4 you are going to setting, and then step 5 you are adding marker and viewing in your delivery plan and sprint. In this demo section, we are going to look into the delivery plan. So delivery plan provide a highly interactive calendar to view of multiple team and backlog. So in your left hand side, you will get an option. When you go to board, you will get an option of delivery plan. You need to click here. Otherwise, you can click here, browse to marketplace, and you can install delivery plan from your extension gallery, and the way you have done in the estimation. I'll click on the delivery plan, and you are here in this page. Okay, so you need to click on the new plan, give the name demo DL. See, the delivery plan, you need to give the description of your detail of your project plan, and if you have any blueprint for your project solution, and you will be having some release plan, right? Whether you want to you have some criticality, you want to release by this date, or you have that critical dependency you need to track and get it completed by this date. You can also put an marker and highlight for the same. So you will be having multiple epics, you'll be having a feature on that. You can also tag your delivery plan with multiple project. You can also tag your delivery plan with the multiple team, and based on that you can also view on the feature and the backlog. So team with backlog, you can view that. So in your delivery plan is basically will reflect the dependency in the iteration and teams, and you can also drag and drop for the current sprint and the another sprint as well. Okay, so what we will do, you can give the description based on that. We have chosen the project, current project, and multiple project you can choose. We will choose our team. We are on a team of sample project 2 team. Select backlog. So I want to view, say, based on the feature or the backlog. I'll select backlog item, click on create. You can also add the multiple team. So see, you can see here, you can also drag on this, right? So see, here you can able to view your PBIs, and you can set a plan as well, right? So here is your plan today, and this is your sprint, and you can also view your other sprint. See, you can scroll the calendar, right? So this is your sprint 2 thing. What we will do, you can also put in sprint 2. So based on your delivery, like if you feel there is a dependency on any team and you need to drag your work backlog based on that, okay, you can also create an item, product backlog item, or a bug, anything. So you can create a sample PBI. Okay, you can also go in that and do the changes, the required changes which is need to be done, right? Click on save. Now what you need to do, we have let's create one more team. So what I'll do, here in your right hand side setting is there, right? So we let's click on the team. See, you have a project of this, and we are able to view our plan based on this backlog item for this particular team. I want to add a team, which we got an option. Okay, so I'll add a team, team 1, for the sample project 2, and but it is not in this. I think it is in, I don't remember, but let me try. So sample team, okay, this is, so if I select this project, then sample team is there. So let me choose this based on feature, if anything is there. I'll also add one more team. Let it be sample project 2 team 1. and select as per the feature or PPI, whatever is required. Okay, so let it be this feature because we have backlog item. Click on save. See, you are able to view your sample team and the team one. Okay, from here also you can create the work item. Okay, now we can also see some more configuration here. When we go to this setting option, click on this setting. See, you can actually, you have created a team, you can add a field. When you click on this add criteria, you can add a field criteria and you can view in your delivery plan. You can also add a marker, you can choose the style, you can also tag the color based on that. Let's add a marker here. Click on add marker. Okay, so we have this. Let's choose here from 6 our sprint is going to start, and let's choose this quarter 3. Okay, and you can choose the color. Okay, there is some problem, that's why it is not showing, else it should show the save button. Okay, please plan marker at the key date and even you want to track. Okay, let me choose the same, but still it is not showing. Okay, there might be some issue, otherwise you will get this option. Okay, so we will go here. Let me delete this. Yeah, because we have already added a field criteria and we have not given any input. Now this is here, right? Let's click on the save. See, you are able to see this marker. You can view this board and the marker you are able to see on this particular sprint. Okay, based on that you can track the iteration dependency on any team, and based on that you can drag and drop the item also to the another sprint. This is how the delivery plan work. We need to keep a track on the project uh, uh, uptime, downtime. Based on that we need to do changes in this delivery plan, and it is very helpful to keep a track on the RA feature, and based on the dependency we can actually give the uh, mitigation plan, and we can remove the blockers on that. We are going to reference link. Here I have given you, you can move to index if you need to review any slide. And when you click on how to start with the Azure DevOps board, so you will get a login link, and you can click and it will navigate to that dev.azure.com, and then demo generator, it will show you how you can create your Azure boards with parts unlimited and agile portfolio planning and project management. And the other last link I have given for Microsoft Azure DevOps documentation, where entire Azure DevOps details and how we will work on Azure DevOps, all those uh, uh, um, documentation has been given there. So you can definitely explore this, and it is going to be very helpful. There are 11 parts in Azure DevOps using Scrum process. Kindly watch all the videos. It will be really helpful. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you soon.